Namaskar. Good afternoon, students. Students, today I am going to solve some problems from your workbook. Okay. So the first problem is, how many coins or note does the following have? So how many coins or note does the following have? So now you have to convert. First you have to know this symbol. What is this, student? This one is called rupees symbol. So when you like to convert rupees to paisa, then you have to multiply 100 with these numbers, these rupees. Okay. If you want to convert rupees 10 into paisa, then you have to multiply 100 with this 10. So what will be the answer? 1000 paisa. Now students, now you have to solve this one. Rupees 10 is equal to dash 25 paisa coins. Okay. So in this case, you have to divide this 1000 by 25. Okay. Because rupees 10 is equal to 1000 paisa, that's why you have to divide this 1000 by 25 paisa. So when you divide this thousands by 25, then you will get this 40. So the answer is rupees 10 is equal to 40.25 paisa. Okay. Next one. Rupees 500 is equal to dash rupees 2 coins. Okay. So rupees, in this side there is rupees, there is also rupees. That's why there is no need to convert this 500 into paisa. Okay. So you just divide this 500 by this 2. So 500 divided, if you divide this 500 by 2, then we get 250. Okay. So rupees 500 is equal to 250 rupees 2 coins. So 2 coins 250. Okay. So the answer will be 250. Now next one is rupees 2000 is equal to how many 50 rupees note? How many 50 rupees notes? Okay. So in this case, there is also rupees, there is also rupees. Now no need to convert this rupees into paisa. So you can just divide this 2000 by 50. So 2000 by 50, 2000, if you divide this 2000 by 50, the answer will be 40. So the answer will be 40. So rupees 2000 is equal to 40 rupees 50 notes. Okay. Next one, rupees 100 is equal to how many 5 rupees notes? Rupees 100 is equal to how many 5 rupees note? Okay. So in this case, you have to divide this 100 by this 5. So if you divide this 100 by 5, then you will get the number 20. So rupees 100 is equal to 20 rupees 5 notes. Okay. So the number of 5 rupee note is 20. Okay. And the last one, rupees 20 is equal to how many 50 paisa coins? Okay. So rupees 20 is equal to how many 50 paisa coins? So here is rupees and here is paisa. So now you have to convert this rupees 20 into paisa first. So if you want to convert this 20 into paisa, then you have to multiply 100 with this 20. So if you multiply 100 with 20, what you will get? You will get 20 into 100, that is 2000. So now 2000 paisa. Okay. So now you have to divide this 2000 by 50. So if you divide this 2000 by 50, the answer will be 40. Okay. So students, rupees 500 is equal to 250, rupees 2 coins, then rupees 2000 equal to 40, rupees 50 notes, then rupees 100 is equal to 20, rupees 5 notes, then rupees 20 is equal to 40, 50 paisa coin. Okay. So students, if you want to convert rupees into paisa, so what can you do? You do multiply this number with 100. So we all know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. We all know rupees 1 is equal to 100 paisa. So if you like to convert rupees into if you like to convert rupees 25 into paisa, so what can you do? Just multiply 100 with this 25. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 2500 paisa. Okay. Okay students. And then another case, if you like to convert paisa into rupees, so what can you do? If you like to convert this paisa into rupees, so what can you do? You can divide this number by 100. In this case, you have to divide these numbers by 100. If you divide this 2500 by 100, what will be the answer? If you divide 2500 divided by 100, what will be the answer? The answer will be 25. So rupees 2500 paisa is equal to 25 rupees 25. Okay student, next one, there is another question like that. 1500, that means 15,000 paisa is equal to dash rupees dash. Okay, so in this case the answer will be 150, because if you divide this 15,000 by 100, then you will get the answer 150. Okay students. Now students, I'm going to solve some word problems. Okay, so the first problem is Suhan bought 4 pencils for rupees 5 each. Mohan bought 3 notebooks for rupees 20 each, and Sima bought 2 erasers for rupees 2 each. So how much did they pay all together? Okay, so first you have to find out the total cost of pencil. Okay, so first write like this: the cost of one pencil is equal to rupees 5. Therefore, the cost of 4 pencils is rupees 5 into 4. So the answer is 20. Okay, so the cost of 4 pencil is rupees 20. Next part is Mohan bought 3 notebooks for rupees 20 each. So the cost of one notebook is equal rupees 20. Therefore, the cost of how many notebooks? 3 notebooks. Therefore, the cost of 3 notebooks is rupees 20 into 3. So 60. Okay. Then another part, last part. Shima bought 2 erasers for rupees 2 each. So the cost of one eraser is equal rupees 2. Students, the cost of one eraser is rupees 2, then the cost of two eraser is rupees 2 into 2, that is rupees 4. So the main question is, how much did they paid all together? Okay, so rupees 20, then plus rupees 60, rupees 4. So the answer is rupees 84. So rupees 84 is the answer. Okay students, so students, I will send some homeworks for you and you have to do it. Okay, so thank you, that's it for today's class.